Everything on Catch Pole and Rye is in-house. We've expanded, and everything we need to do, we've got on the premises. The engineering shop, the plating shop, the polishing shop, the workshop, and we can do almost anything, so it's very quick. You know, if the customer wants something very quickly, we can just ask them what they want and we can make it, you know, and we never buy things in like that. We just make them on site, and then we actually plate them on site, and we polish them on site, and we pack them on site, and we actually do a delivery as well. And if we need to discuss anything between each other, the polisher or the engineer, we can discuss to get the quality better. If anything needs making for a smoke frame, we can get that polished very quickly, adjusted, and then we can get it straight to the plating side straight after. The good thing about having the electroplating shop is that you can do your dechroming, you can do your nickel plating, your copper plating, all on the premises. Any little defect in the metal, we can do it again quickly. It's not a problem. We haven't got to send it to another company, and it's a lot better, it's more flexible. Mainly we use brass, because brass obviously doesn't rust. So if we send a good quality product to the customer, we're confident it's never going to rust. I mean, a lot of cheap stuff like you buy from these other firms, it's made of steel, and the problem is that they plate the steel, and then all of a sudden the nickel and the chrome, it'll start corroding, and then you'll get a very they look great from the beginning for about a year, and then but with Catch Pole and Rye, it's all made out of brass, solid brass, and it's just good quality. And we use that because it's easier to polish, plus it's easier to plate. Aluminium mainly we use it because it's the systems, they're aluminium. Baths are made out of cast iron, so you could be cast iron, but a lot of copper baths, but even copper baths got to be polished or repolished. So we've got a polishing shop, and we've got the actual machines to do it and the people to do it. So it's very quick. Even if I want a bath, we can just do it, any scratches, and we just do it quickly over, and then we can actually plate it as well. And that's copper, brass, nickel plated, all sorts of things really. It's a quick turnaround, it's really a quick turnaround, yeah. For instance, if you've got a frame and they give you the frame in the morning, we could polish that within an hour. If it's all, the engineering's good on it and it all fits together, we check it all and then we fit it together, or the engineering side will, they send it to us, we polish it, and then next thing you know, we send it straight over. An hour later, we're sending it to Paul to plate. And if there's anything wrong with it at all, Paul will let us know, and it'll come straight back to the polishing, and if we have to correct it, we can correct it, and then straight back to the plating again.